Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some rustic farmhouse interior decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Rustic farmhouse interior decoration combines natural materials, vintage charm, and cozy elements to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Here are some actionable tips to create a rustic farmhouse interior. Incorporate natural textures. Use materials like reclaimed wood for furniture or wall accents. Include oven baskets, bundle, and linen for storage and decor. Mix old and new. Pair vintage pieces like an old wooden chest with modern farmhouse elements such as industrial style lighting. Shop at flower markets or antique stores for unique finds. Layer rugs. Use jute, seashell, or hand-woven rugs to add warmth and texture to hardwood or tile floors. Layer smaller rugs on top for more depth. Use functional decor. Decorate with items that are both stylish and practical, like wooden cutting boards, mason jars, or wire baskets. Display everyday items like plates or utensils in an organized, visually appealing way. Add rustic furniture. Choose weathered or distressed wood furniture, such as a farmhouse dining table or a barn-style coffee table. Use mismatched chairs for an eclectic, cozy vibe. Highlight statement bridges. Install a sliding barn door for a rustic touch. Use large vintage mirrors or oversized clocks as focal points. Embrace open shelving. Replace upper cabinets in the kitchen with open shelves to display rustic plates, mugs, and jars. Use reclaimed wood or metal brackets for the shelves. Decorate with greenery. Use natural materials like fresh flowers, potted plants, or fox greenery in simple vases. Eucalyptus and lavender add a touch of color and a farmhouse feel. Lighting is key. Install industrial style painted lights or rotating candelabras. Use soft, inviting textures for bedding, curtains, and upholstery. Create focal points, fireplace mantles, decorate with candlesticks, vintage clocks, or garlands. Accent walls. Use Shiplap, reclaimed wood planks, or brick to create a statement wall. Oversized art. Hang flowers, rustic style art pieces like botanical print or pastoral landscapes. Blend metals and woods. Mix warm wood tones with cool metals like black iron or galvanized steel for contrast. Use metal for light fixtures, furniture relics, or decorative items like trays and buckets. Maximize natural light. Use chair or lightweight curtains to let in plenty of sunlight. Add mirrors to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Incorporate seasonal decor. For fall, add pumpkins, plain blankets, and warm colors. In winter, use evergreen garlands, pine cones, and fairy lights. Serve accessories seasonally to keep the decor fresh and inviting. Repurpose items. Turn old blankets into blanket racks or shelving units. Use wooden crates as side tables or storage solutions. Convert massive jars into vases, candle holders, or soap dispensers. Layer decor items. Stack hooks with small decor items like candles or vases on top. Use tied trays to display smaller items like plants or salt and paper shakers. Keep it minimal. Avoid clutter to maintain an airy, open floor. Focus on a few well-placed decor pieces rather than overloading the space. Add farmhouse-inspired storage. Use oven baskets for blankets, toys, and magazines. Hang hooks on walls or the back of doors for hats, coats, or bags. Include handmade touches and a tie wreath made of dried flowers or eucalyptus. Create your own plastic signs with wood or stencils. This modern door